Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 9 minus 7 times parentheses 9 minus 7. Maybe you solve this math expression like this. 9 minus 7 gives us 2 and 9 minus 7 gives us 2. Now 2 times 2 gives us 4. But this way to solving this math expression is not correct. Is not correct. So, according to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 9 minus 7 gives us 2. And now we have 9 minus 7. And we have one multiplication here. And 2. Now, as we know, multiplication has a higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first. 7 times 2 gives us 14. And now 9 minus 14 gives us negative 5. The final answer is negative 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.